Alright, now we're at one of me and Chong's favorite spots. Here's the little, it's a, I forgot the name. I woke up and there we go. But here's a little waterfall. The ducks are kind of going over the waterfall. There's two over there. It's very nice and peaceful. You can't get more peaceful than this. This just kind of makes all the stuff that you have to deal with at work just a little bit better. Just seeing all this beauty. But I figured I'd share it with everybody because I thought it was very nice and pretty. Okay, there is little tiny chipmunks over there. I'm trying to see if I get over here if they run. There was a tiny chipmunk. I guess it went away. The tiny animals always run when they see Chong. That's why I gotta be real quick. Okay, this is our good afternoon post. And since I'm already in this amazing event with the walking of the ducks, he's doing this. And I gotta give him another bed bath because he's all up in this grass. But I wanted to tell everybody good afternoon. And I hope everybody enjoys themselves and has a great day. Because I know Chong is. I don't know why he wants to eat the grass. Alright, but farewell to everybody and have a good day. We are now on our walk, and I figure I might as well do our good evening post. And thank everybody for their continued support and talk to everybody how their day was. Today was just a lazy day for us. I slept in until like 6 o'clock. I was tired from yesterday. There was a lot of activity. I walked at work for 8 hours and walked with Chong for 3. That was a lot. So Chong let me sleep in a little bit, which was nice. And I hope everybody had a nice, restful day like we did. Because life's rough. I do get it. Sometimes it gets rough for me, but I try to get through it one day at a time. So I bid everybody a good afternoon, a good evening, and I hope everybody's blessed today. Okay, I wasn't taping for those other horses, but here's Chong. He's barking at the horses. But he's going to probably calm down soon here. The horses have left. I did get some video of horses. Down here, there's always is. It's a nice little area. There's the horse trail. And there's Chong. There's lots of stuff to keep him happy for one day. Down here. Alright, here's me and Chong's famous waterfall he's been going to since he was a baby. And learned how to walk and got to walk farther. One day if he's not around, I don't know if I'll be able to come here without crying. Because it's our special spot. I like to call it Chong Falls. Chong's is the reason why I come here so much. He's really made a big difference in my life and my depression and everything. I don't know what I would do without him. He's everything to me. And he pushes me to come out of the house and do things I normally wouldn't do. Me and Chong were finding a different spot. We did, but the one spot we found, they were having an anniversary party. And I guess you can rent out this lodge. So they said, so we just started blogging back this way. But here's this area. It's really pretty. All these trees are just very beautiful. Time really hasn't touched them, and it's nice. It would be nice to see a 1,000-year-old tree. I mean, I'm sure some of these might be 100 years old or so, but it would be awesome if there was a 1,000-year-old tree. I don't know where in parts in the world there'd be a 1,000-year-old tree. But here's this, I would figure I'd share with you this area, the Metro Parks. It's just so pretty. Alright, me and Chong here are going by this bridge. It's very popular, and I figure it could be something new. This is a very cute little area right before. Looked like time stood still. This is like something from the Headless Horseman. And he just wants to keep sniffing over here. Better to play Alright, some bikers just passed through us. Alright, I think we can move forward. Alright, here's this creek goes all the way that way, down this way, and goes out this way. It's very pretty. You just sometimes just looking at this, I think some elves and fairies are going to come out of the bushes and say hello to you. I walked all the way here just to try to get pictures of this little gem that I think is very pretty. And here comes another biker. Me and Chong now found another little area. No, the horses aren't allowed here, but it does seem nice. I don't know if we're gonna find critters. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. It says there's raccoons though. We won't see them. They're all sleeping. But today me and Chong are having a good day. He had his breakfast of champions earlier. And he's been besides trying to chase the motorcycles, he's been good. I don't want him to die from a motorcycle person because he decides he wants to jump in front of him. But that just goes unsaid. But he knows better, and I caught him, and everything's okay. Then here's a little fitness trail to get this, where you can exercise yourself and you can be Rocky Balboa. And then here's a river here. This is very nice. I didn't know this was sitting out here. There's always new treasures. And then past there, there's that. This was some good footage even if we didn't find critters. And then here's Chong. I don't have any hiking boots, so that this isn't going to happen for Chong. Okay, me and Chong found a new trail. It's supposed to be a new nature walk. I was hoping to find some kind of interesting animal, but it is a beautiful area. I do hear birds in the mist. They do have really unique birds in these reservations. But sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. So I don't know what to say. I guess it is what it is. But Chong, he's had 2 water breaks. We walked quite far out because I was trying to find a new area. My brother and me soon will be scouting new locations together. Just to liven up things for everybody. See, he wants to go all deep in here. I already got like 20 mosquito bites from yesterday. I'm not trying to get any more mosquito bites. I think they're trying to bite me through my pants. Watch out for the mosquitoes. Alright, we're now over by this other lake by my house. Chong just wants to go, go, go. He's driving me nuts. But I figure I'd show you this little spot. I don't see anything in the water. It probably is a nice fishing spot. There's not a whole lot of mosquitoes over here either. And this lake, me and my kids used to come here too. It does have special sentimental value. But, like I said, you gotta hold on to the good memories. When sometimes you're going through bad, and you gotta remember the mistakes of your past and look to the future. What else is there to do? You gotta live. Sometimes it's hard, but figure I show you the beauty of this lake, and hopefully it lifted your day. Here's Chong watching all the cars go by. He gets excited about going to the park with his tongue hanging out. Now he's gonna sit and watch the cars go by. But I wanted to show you this lake. I think I caught birds. Oh, look at that. I caught some birds, and here's another part of the lake. It's very pretty. Nice. I wish the birds would come back, but at least we got the birds for a minute. This probably was a good time to come down here. But I figure I'd show you another little spot that we like to go to. And then there's another dog in the mist. Okay, we are right now in the woods of Halloween Village. And I'm starting this story because this is my, now I decided I'm going to do the children's stories on Facebook and the adult stories that maybe are a little bit more graphic on TikTok. And it's Chong the dog, in case you want something that's a little more adult-like. But this story is about a vampire named Elmira. And she was a doctor. And she made her own synthetic blood. She blended in, cured the villagers that that was sick. And then one day, a band of a bunch of vampires came in that wasn't so nice as her. She kept discreet. No one really knew, just thought she was the local doctor. Anyways, the vampires came in, and there was sightings of vampire bites and just different stuff going on. So she kept her low profile. And anyways, one day they seen her feeding off of one of the villagers. Chong. Alright, me and Chong are walking through. I don't see any animals, but this is a nice area with all the trees and how they go here, and then how you can see out that way. It's just a really pretty scenic route. It just really catches your eye. And it's so pretty. Then you go around this way and it's still nice. And that way. Very, very cute. And quaint. You could build a small cottage around here. I mean, I would. Oh, I think I got a squirrel. I don't know if you can see him back there. But we got squirrel footage. He's sitting up. He's like right in the back. I'm going to let him be in peace and sit in his squirrel happiness there.